Luel Santos versus Court of Appeals, GR number 112019, January 4, 1995. The facts of the case. Luel, a first lieutenant of the Philippine Army, married Julia in a municipal trial court and thereafter in a church. She gave birth to a baby boy and was named Luel Jr. Occasionally, the couple quarreled over a lot of things, including the interference of Julia's parents into their family affairs. Julia went to US to work as a nurse and promised husband that she will return once her contract will have expired. She never did. Luel tried to find her in the US but somehow failed to contact her or get in touch with her. Luel filed a petition to have their marriage declared null and void, citing Article 36 of the Family Code. He argued that Julia's failure to return home and communicating with him for more than 5 years constitute psychological incapacity. The issue of the case, whether or not their marriage can be considered void under Article 36 of the Family Code. The ruling: no. Julia's failure to return to her husband and communication with him do not constitute psychological incapacity. Psychological incapacity must be characterized by a juridical antecedents, gravity, and incurability. The intendment of the law has been to confine the meaning of psychological incapacity to the most serious cases of personality disorders clearly demonstrative of an utter insensitivity or inability to give meaning and significance to the marriage. This psychological condition must exist at the time the marriage is celebrated. In the case at bar, although Luel stands aggrieved, his petition must be dismissed because the alleged psychological incapacity of his wife is not clearly shown by the factual settings presented. The factual settings do not come close to the standard required to decree annulity of marriage.